Yeah, so it's pulled up kind of a report. So we have found 12 writing issues in your text, and have also detected significant plagiarism. Like I told you, it is I've picked up, a piece from the internet randomly, so it also shows you whether it's plagiarized or not. So now here in the free version, that I'm just working on the free version now just to show you. So it just points out the errors, right? Spelling, okay, fine, there's no spelling mistake, grammar, and punctuation. See, punctuation in the compound marks would show a significant plagiarism, right? So now these are the mistakes that Grammarly has pulled up a report on. Now, in order for me to go ahead and correct these mistakes, there are different plans. It shows 750 per month or 500 per month or annually. Definitely has a lot of advantages with, polish your writing better, go ahead with making your punctuations right, never faltering with your semicolons or your colons and your hyphens and all of these. Okay, so this is one part of your grammar check that we can go through. So that's about Grammarly. However, we have other kind of tools also to go ahead and check. In fact, and they are even more advanced, I would say, than Grammarly, because for Grammarly in the free version, what happens, we can just only see what our errors are. If at all we need to go ahead and rectify those errors, then we need to subscribe and pay a monthly subscription for Grammarly. Now let's look at Ginger. So Ginger software has developed a language enhancement technology that uses statistical algorithms in conjunction with natural language processing, aiming to improve the written communications, develop English speaking skills, and boost the smartphone productivity. So now let's go to Ginger, and the same copy to text that I have, we will try and post it on Ginger and see if we can correct the mistakes or it's just same like Grammarly. So let's have a check with Ginger. Yes, I would suggest you simultaneously open it. You can pick up anything by yourself from the internet or whatever you've written, stuff like that, right? So now let's go. So now here I go in and I paste my copied content, the same that I pasted on Grammarly to do a quick check. Okay, so the limit is 350 words. That your text was too long, was longer than 350 characters limit. So it will, okay, so what we'll do, okay, fine, truncated. Anyways, no issues. So we'll do one thing, we'll take a new text, we'll try keeping it short and simple. See, the paid versions obviously have come with their own advantages. When we are using the free versions, it has kind of drawbacks, right? So, but nevertheless, 350 at a time words, we can do a quick check and try enhancing it.